In the quiet corners of our world, from dense forests to urban gardens, an ancient architect tirelessly works. The spider web, often seen as a simple structure, is in fact a marvel of natural engineering, a testament to evolutionary brilliance. Each strand, almost invisible to the naked eye, is meticulously placed, forming a complex matrix designed for survival. But how does such a delicate yet incredibly strong material come into existence? The secret lies deep within the spider's own biology, a process of transformation that turns liquid into an enduring, versatile scaffold for life. At its core, spider silk is a protein-based fiber, synthesized from specialized glands within the spider's abdomen. Unlike the silk produced by caterpillars, which involves a single type of silk, spiders can produce a remarkable array of silks, each with unique properties. What makes this material truly extraordinary is its strength-to-weight ratio. Ounce for ounce, many types of spider silk are stronger than steel and tougher than Kevlar, yet they remain incredibly flexible and elastic. This biological supermaterial allows spiders to build structures that can withstand considerable forces, from wind to the struggles of captured prey. The most visible part of this silk-producing apparatus are the spinnerets, small, finger-like appendages located at the posterior end of the spider's abdomen. Most spiders possess 2 to 4 pairs of spinnerets, and each spinneret is equipped with hundreds of tiny spigots. These spigots act like microscopic nozzles, extruding the liquid silk proteins. The spider has astonishing control over these spinnerets, manipulating them with great precision to combine different silk types or to draw multiple strands simultaneously. This allows for the intricate weaving and precise placement of each silk thread. Deep within the spider's body, a complex system of silk glands works in concert. A typical spider may possess up to 7 different types of silk glands, each producing a distinct type of silk designed for a specific purpose. For instance, major ampullate glands produce the strong dragline silk used for the web's frame and as a safety line. Minor ampullate glands contribute to temporary scaffolding. Piriform glands produce the attachment cement, while flagelliform glands create the highly elastic core of the sticky capture spiral. This glandular diversity is key to the web's multifunctional design. The transformation from a liquid protein solution, stored in the glands, to a solid silk fiber is one of the most fascinating aspects of web production. The liquid silk, called spinning dope, is a highly concentrated solution of proteins. As it is drawn out through the spigots, several factors trigger its solidification. Mechanical stress from the pulling, changes in pH and ion concentration within the spinning duct, and the removal of water all contribute to the rapid alignment and aggregation of the protein molecules. This process is incredibly fast, allowing the spider to spin a robust thread almost instantly upon extrusion. The construction of an orb web typically begins with an anchor line, often carried by the wind until it snags on a distant object. Once this bridge line is secure, the spider reinforces it and then drops a second line, forming a Y shape. From this foundational structure, the spider meticulously builds the frame and radial spokes, the non-sticky scaffolding of the web. This framework is constructed using strong, stiff dragline silk, providing the necessary structural integrity. The precision with which these initial lines are laid determines the overall geometry and stability of the entire trap. Once the radial spokes are complete, the spider begins to weave a temporary spiral, acting as a guide for the final, sticky capture spiral. This temporary spiral is made of non-sticky silk, allowing the spider to move freely. It is then removed as the spider lays down the crucial capture threads. The sticky spiral, composed of highly elastic and adhesive silk, is dotted with tiny, sticky droplets designed to ensnare prey. The spider itself avoids getting stuck by walking only on the non-sticky radial spokes and its temporary guidelines, a remarkable feat of navigation on its own intricate trap. The spider's legs and specialized claws play a crucial role in web construction. Its tarsal claws, often comb-like, are perfectly adapted to grip and manipulate silk without damaging it or becoming entangled. The spider uses its legs to pull, measure, and position the silk, sensing tension and vibrations with remarkable acuity. Each leg movement is deliberate, guided by an innate blueprint for web design. Beyond construction, these same tools are used for repairing damaged sections, ensuring the web remains an effective hunting ground and a secure home. This constant maintenance highlights the spider's dedication to its aerial abode. While the orb web is perhaps the most iconic use of spider silk, these versatile fibers serve numerous other critical functions. Spiders use silk to construct protective egg sacs, safeguarding their offspring. Many species create silk-lined retreats or burrows for shelter. Young spiders, and even some adults, employ a technique called ballooning, releasing a long strand of silk to catch the wind and travel great distances. Silk also serves as a critical safety dragline during falls or leaps, always attached to the spider's posterior. It is truly a multi-purpose tool for survival, adaptation, and reproduction. From the initial liquid protein to the intricate, resilient structure of a web, the spider's ability to produce and utilize silk is an enduring marvel. Scientists continue to study this complex process, hoping to unlock its secrets for human benefit, particularly in the field of biomimicry. Imagine surgical sutures stronger than current materials, bulletproof vests lighter than Kevlar, or biodegradable fishing lines. The elegance and efficiency of spider silk production offer profound lessons for materials science and engineering. The humble spider, an often misunderstood creature, stands as one of nature's most sophisticated and inspiring engineers.